Okay, so we saw what is KMP. Okay, definition of KMP देखा, इसके अंदर हमने देखा था 5 things are there: CEO, CFO, CS, WTD like whole time director, and any other person as may prescribed. Okay, so and CEO के अंदर like in that first point CEO, MD, and manager. Okay, so let's see each and every point in detail. Okay, what are the definition of that? First one, CEO. CEO, Chief Executive Officer, Section 2 Clause 18 says CEO's Chief Executive Officer means an officer of a company who has been designated as by it. Like nothing is there. Any like officer of a company जिसको उसे as a CEO designate किया गया है, that is CEO. Okay. Then what is CFO? Chief Financial Officer, Section 2 Clause 19 says CFO, Chief Financial Officer means a person appointed as CFO of the company of a company. अंतिम बस इतना ही है. ठीक है. Then company secretary में Section 2 Clause 24 says CS in company secretary means company secretary, like it is defined in the Company Secretary Act 1980 in Section 2, Section 1 and Clause C. उसके अंदर उसमें डिफाइंड है, डेफिनेशन दी हुई है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट एंड हु इज अपॉइंटेड एज अ कंपनी सेक्रेटरी टू परफॉर्म द फंक्शन ऑफ कंपनी सेक्रेटरी ऑफ दिस एक्ट. मतलब जो कंपनी सेक्रेटरी का जो एक्ट है उसके अंदर जो डिफिनेशन दी हुई है अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट, लाइक सीईओ का डेफिनेशन उसके अंदर है. एंड हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस फंक्शंस ऑफ दैट सीएस, जो फंक्शंस बताई हुई है इन दैट एक्ट. So that is that person is a CSM. Then we have manager. Okay, manager and MD. This both are so confusing. So let me clear it very properly. So manager means who manages the whole of substantial the whole of affairs of the company. Okay, and MD means who have substantial powers to manage the company affairs. Okay, so let's say difference. MD जो होता है who have specific powers, like who have a delegated authority, उसके beyond he cannot work. Okay, so he has specific powers, MD. But whereas a manager have whole of substantial powers, means he can either manage the whole company, whole day-to-day operations of the company, or who can either manage the substantial powers. So this is the major difference. MD cannot manage the whole or entire operation of the company. Okay, now remember this one. Manager can do that. So this is the difference between them. So let's see what the sections of that. Manager in section 2 clause 53 says manager means an individual who is subject to the superintendent's control and direction of the board of directors, has the management of the whole or substantially the whole of affairs of management of company, and includes a director or any other person occupying the position of a manager by whatever name called, whether under the control or contract of service or not. That is manager. We saw the meaning already. Okay. Then what is managing director? Section 2 clause 54 says managing director means a director who, by the virtue of the articles of the company, an agreement by with the company or resolution passed in the general meeting or by the board of directors, is entrusted with substantial powers of management of the affairs of the company, and includes directors occupying the position of managing director by whatever name called. Okay. So see, एक और difference we have seen. Managing director must be a director, but manager need not to be a director. Okay, so this is the another difference we can see among this both. Okay, between these both. Then we have whole-time director. Last one, section 2 plus 94. Whole-time director includes. Okay, remember this one. Includes a director in a whole-time employment of a company. There's an interesting point in it. Okay, listen to it carefully. जो whole-time director होता है ना, a director होना चाहिए, and he should be the whole-time employment of the company. मतलब like that director need not to be in the whole-time employment. एक person, I'll give an example. एक person है who is working as an employee and he's a whole-time employee. Okay, and he's also a director. Then this director is part-time director. Suppose he is a part-time director and whole-time employee. This director is going to be called as a whole-time director. Why? Because he is a director and whole-time employment of the company. So he will be a whole-time director. Okay. So this was the definition of KMP. Okay, जो भी parts of that all. Okay, ना. So if you like the video.